In this video, we are starting with a series that is complete Python tutorial for beginners. This series is designed for someone who want to learn Python and someone who knows Python and want to brush up the basics. And this series will have completely genuine errors, unedited, so that you can learn from them. Now, before we start with Python, we need to install some softwares. So let's start with installing the softwares. Firstly, you need to go on python.org, and this link will be given in the description, so you can go there. And let's check out the version here. 3.8.3 is the latest version right now available for Python. At your time it might change, so download this Python shell. I've already downloaded it, so I'll cancel it. And the next thing that we need to download is an IDE. The IDE is something in which we work, so we'll download the IDE. We'll use PyCharm IDE for working with Python. So this link will also be given in the description, you can check out from there. And we'll be using the community edition because it's free and open source, so download it from here. I've already downloaded it, so I'll proceed with the installation part. Now firstly, you need to install the shell. So let's start with the installation. It's pretty easy. It will not take much time, it's a small software. And for the one who are using a Linux operating system, they can use sudo apt-get install Python, or for the one who are using Fedora, they can use sudo apt-get sudo instead of apt-get dnf, sudo dnf install python 3, and it will work for them. So let's wait till it installs so that we can start with the IDE installation. It's installed, so now I'll proceed with the installation of PyCharm IDE. Double click on it. Now just click next. You can choose the destination folder where you want to install it. I'll leave it as it is. And if you want a launcher, you can have a desktop launcher as well. So let's click next, install. So as you can see, it's almost complete, and just we need to click this if you want to run the Python edition. So we'll be running it, and let's finish it. That's pretty much it. It was easy. It will take some time for the first time to start. Yeah, so there are two themes available. I like the Dracula one. You can have this one as well. Let's use this one for this tutorial, so it will be more clear to you and visible to you. Let's skip the remaining and set as default. So it has started. Now here we need to create a new project to check that everything is fixed up and set up, so that we can start programming from next video. Let's create a new project. Hello world project. So let's have it. Leave everything as it is if you want, or you can have some changes. It's asking me interpreter field is empty, so I got the interpreter field. You'll get it directly. I guess there was some issue while loading this. So let's create the project. Again, for the first time when you create a project, it takes some time. Now let's skip this tips of the day. So it took some time for setting all the files and installing some of the updates. Might take for you as well. So once we get this gray section over here, we can have a new file in this project. Just right click on the project name and then see the new option here. Now go here, you can see a Python file option. Just click it and you will create a new Python file. Let's name it hello world. Let's write one line code to just check if everything is set up correctly. Now once you have written the code, you can obviously click or use right click to get the option of running the command, or you can choose this option as well. So run hello world. So everything is fixed up and we are ready to start from the next lecture.